we are in Albion Heights. So the road that we looked at will take us all the way out. So now that we're in this geography, we can look on our right and see that they are doing some clearing, which means that the road network is going to expand in that area. What we need to realize about this area and the soil is that it is a stony soil area, which means that it will take a little excavation in order for it to come to a level that is suited. So that is why this section of the journey is taking a little longer than expected to be completed. But we will still be making the time as a schedule, and you can see where it is that we will be driving in a little while. If you can look, use your imagination, you can visualize the elevation that needs to happen for this road to reach up to the level in order to have a balance. An excavation continues as we progress straight ahead. Welcome to RoadTripja, the heartbeat of Jamaica's road. This is your excursion extraordinaire and guide, Dr. A. Pleasant viewing. In the month of July, we were allowed to travel on the thoroughfare to our right. At this point, we are not currently allowed. They allowed us briefly to travel on that thoroughfare so they could have removed the light post that is in the middle of the road. And you will not be able to see it because it is gone, but the area from which it came will need to be coming back from the opposite angle so you can visualize what is behind us. And we're going to allow you to see that in the episode that is to come after we have completed the directional flow to Harborview. Now as you look at your right, you can see where they are currently digging to ensure that the water can be channeled to a place that will have the least impact to the degradation of the road work and the quality. So now, item number 2. This area has also been improved in the Mesa Garden community, and we are now traveling on the new thoroughfare. Yes, overlooking the sea, straight ahead, and this has indeed been a blessing for all of us. It's not complete, but they are allowing us to feel it, to experience it, while they work on the opposite side, which would be the left-hand side. If you remember clearly, the left-hand driving is a little bit different, or some may say a lot different from driving on the right, because the feel is more pleasing and more royal on the right in comparison to the turbulence we experience while commuting on the left. But we will continue to press forward as you can see developments taking place. The only drawback and caveat that we have located in this geography is that at nights when we are commuting, this road is pitch dark. So if you are not privy to what the road looks like, you may have to drive with extreme caution so that you can navigate this area. And this is where this section of the juncture comes to its conclusion. However, the road will continue on the right, and as we can see, they are still working on the elevation over that section. And then after it has been completed, it was going to travel through this road and take us to the left where they are currently working. And this here is the area where they are contemplating the build of the 91 acre of luxury. And we will continue on the journey as you use your eyes to see what is and what could have been. It is a hope that you'll enjoy the rest of the experience as you bask in the changes and transformation taking place in this island paradise of Jamaica in real time. Signing out from RoadTripja is Dr. A. Walk, ride, drive, and fly good. And see you in the next session. Until then, be blessed.